Thanks for viewing my Module 2 Technology Integration Matrix. So I felt as though I related primarily in the active category, so that where students are engaged in technology as a tool rather than just passively receiving information from technology. And more specifically, I feel like my current level of technology integration is at that adaptation level, so kind of in that middle of the road. I feel like this year I've learned definitely a lot more about technology and integrated more just due to the pandemic and teaching hybrid and virtually. So, how it aligns to my current practice, I take a lot of time at the beginning of the year to help students become independent with the technology programs that we use. So, we use programs like Prodigy, Raz Kids, IXL, Extra Math, Google Classroom, and Seesaw. Um, I could directly relate to the elementary vocabulary video that they showed because the teacher is allowing the students to work independently with technology and tools in a conventional way. The teacher makes the technology accessible every day, and it reminded me of how I use station rotations in my classroom. And all the students are able to learn independently and proficiently with technology. And it's really awesome to see whenever my students have a problem, they just ask their classmates to help them troubleshoot, and 9 out of 10 times they can figure it out between themselves. So I think that's really awesome. And I don't need to guide my students step by step each day. They kind of know what's expected, they know how the program works, so they can independently learn through those technology tools. A goal of where I want to kind of move is still in that active learning category, but more of the transformation level. Um, where I hope to grow in my technology integration. This area I just found was really intriguing, and I think it's an attainable goal for myself and my students to achieve. I reviewed all the elementary videos, so the base system, the poetry podcast, and the virtual vacation travel guide. I really enjoyed the virtual vacation travel guide because I felt like overall the students were just really engaged in their learning, and I felt like they really took that technology to the next level because they used it as a research tool. And they weren't just following a program that they were taught, but they were actually manipulating it using Google Maps and creating a product of their learning, which is more of that abstract level. And they're using a lot of those critical thinking skills, which I think is really important. And I think it was also really directly related to the real world around them, which is what we want to see. The teacher also served as a guide and a mentor, which is also a goal of mine to take a step back even more. And the students were able to access technology and information simultaneously, which engages them at a higher level of thinking. So thanks for watching.